So here's a little video of the first forklift I bought. Actually, there's a second one because first one was this little tiny thing that really didn't amount to much because the speed is just crazy, the scale isn't right, so it's more of a showpiece. So I went and got this, what the heck is it called? I think it's a new Ray. It's pretty simple, basic setup. There's the controller for it, your forward, reverse, and your up and down with the mast, and obviously your steering. So here's this little guy in action. Whoop. So yes, a little crude, a little rough, but you know what? It works, and those aren't the freshest batteries in it, but I guess in the end that just wasn't enough. So I ended up having to go out and picked up something from RC four-wheel drive. This one, true to scale, 1/14. This little beauty. Much nicer radio, couple toggle switches, this one for the horn, this one here turns on all the lights. The best part about it all is how smooth and the control you have of the drive, and yes, sound of course now too. So here it is doing a load. The other nice feature of this one is the rack back function, so you can easier to stabilize the load, way better than the other one. So yeah, it's might not be the strongest, definitely nimble. As a sound, I think a guy can't go wrong with one of these if you just want to get yourself a little dock forklift. Check it out, RC four-wheel drive.